Welcome to English Clarity Hub.
Morning routine. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Stretch. I like to stretch as soon as I wake up. Turn off the alarm clock. I turn off the alarm clock and get out of bed. Make the bed. I make my bed before leaving my room. Go to the bathroom. After waking up, I always go to the bathroom. Wash your face. I wash my face to feel refreshed. Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Take a shower. I take a quick shower to start my day. Put on makeup. She puts on makeup before going to work. Get dressed. I get dressed after taking a shower. Brush your hair. I brush my hair after I get dressed. Make breakfast. I make a simple breakfast with eggs and toast. Drink coffee. I like to drink coffee in the morning. Make a to-do list. I make a to-do list for the day. Check emails. I check my emails after breakfast. Pack your bag. I pack my bag before heading out. Grab your keys. Don't forget to grab your keys before you leave. Lock the door. I lock the door when I leave my apartment. Drive to work. I drive to work and listen to music. Walk to work. I walk to work when the weather is nice. Work or school day routine. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. Check the schedule. I check my schedule for the day. Make a phone call. I need to make a phone call to a client. Take notes. I take notes during meetings. Do homework. She does her homework after school. Study for a test. I study for my test after school. Take a break. I take a short break around 10:30 a.m. Work on a project. We work on a project in the afternoon. Eat lunch. We eat lunch in the cafeteria. Join a video call. I join a video call with the team. Organize my desk. I organize my desk at the end of the day. Drink water. I drink water throughout the day. Pick up the kids. I pick up the kids from school after work. Evening routine. Prepare dinner. I prepare dinner for the family. Set the table. I set the table before dinner. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after dinner. Clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen before I relax. Watch TV. I watch TV with my family in the evening. Read a book. I read a book before going to bed. Play with pets. I play with my dog after dinner. Take out the trash. I take out the trash before going to bed. Do the laundry. I do the laundry on weekends. Iron clothes. I iron my clothes for the next day. Plan for tomorrow. I plan my tasks for tomorrow before bed. Pack lunch. I pack my lunch for the next day. Set the alarm. I set my alarm before going to sleep. Night routine. Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth before bed. Do a skincare routine. She follows a skincare routine before sleeping. Put on pajamas. I put on my pajamas after my bath. Meditate. I meditate for a few minutes to relax. Read in bed. I read in bed to help me fall asleep. Practice deep breathing. I practice deep breathing exercises at night.